Greetings and welcome back to the bench of 8bitfix.com. Today we're putting a new upgraded ROM chip in the Indus GT. I just put it in. There's the old one. And we also got the SRAM charger for the Indus GT in the other day. It's right there, plugs into the side. And so this is all to run CPM off of the Indus GT disk drive via the Atari. So it's pretty relatively easy just to disassemble the disc, pop that out, take off the back bracket, take off the plate. There's the back bracket. Yeah, so that's like 64K RAM right there, SRAM for the CPM. I could get an 80 column board and run 80 columns, but I can run it in normal 40 column if I have to. But yeah, I got the chip from Paul Alhart, my disk drive guy, down in Lompoc, California. That was like the last one he had. Brad at Best Electronics carries the ROM. You can also get tweaked ROMs in the Atari Age forums. A couple of guys have tweaked it and removed certain things and sped it up. So there's always the option for that. And then you can, you got a burner, you can burn your own EEPROM and do that yourself. So anyways, yeah, just a cool quick little video, and I'm gonna put this back together and run it, and oh yeah, I gotta go get the discs to run CPM and all that. But other than that, yeah, pretty cool CPM on the Atari. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I know you love these quick little tech videos. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time, probably with this thing running CPM. Alright, happy holidays. Bye-bye.